Did you take your socks off, Emery May? Did you take your socks off? Did you take your socks off? Yes. Did you take your socks off? Come here, let's put them back on. Come here. Come on. Emery May, you get over here. Come on. We gotta put your socks on. Come on. Please come here. You're so naughty. Please come here. Hey, you get back over here, Missy. Come here. Come on, let's put your socks on. Say, please. Please. Will you come here now?
Yeah.
Good girl. You're not listening.